CarPlay works for about 2 minutes, then drops, reconnects, and drops again. Every single bump in the road seems to kill the connection. This constant cycling is almost always one of a few specific physical or software faults, and most of them cost nothing at all to fix yourself. Here are 7 causes and exactly how to fix each one. Worn or failing USB cable. Cables fail from the inside out. The wires break inside the insulation right where the cable bends near the connector. The connection holds until the cable flexes, then drops. This is the #1 cause of repeated CarPlay disconnects, and people replace head units over it. Plug in and start CarPlay, then gently flex the cable near both connector ends while watching the screen. If CarPlay drops the moment you wiggle it, the cable is your fault and nothing else. Replace it with a properly MFI-certified cable and route it so it does not get pinched by the console lid or yanked sideways every time you shift gears. Keeping the cable as short as practical reduces mechanical strain on the connector considerably and makes it last much longer. Dirty charging port on the phone. Pocket lint compacts into the bottom of the charging port over months. It pushes the connector out just far enough that the data pins lose solid contact. The phone still charges because the power pins sit at the outer edges, but CarPlay drops constantly. Power the phone off completely before you start. Use a wooden or plastic toothpick and scrape gently along the bottom and both sides of the charging port. Work slowly and never use a metal pin or paperclip, which can short the pins and permanently damage the port. You will often pull out a surprising amount of tightly compacted gray lint. Blow out the remaining dust with a short burst of compressed air held upright so no liquid propellant sprays in. A properly clean port fixes an enormous share of intermittent CarPlay disconnect faults. Loose USB port in the vehicle. The vehicle's USB port is soldered to a small board behind the dash. Years of plugging and unplugging loosen those solder joints. The port itself may also have worn contacts. The result is a connection that breaks whenever the vehicle vibrates. Test whether the drops happen mostly over bumps in the road or when you physically touch the cable at the port end. Wiggle the cable right where it enters the dash port while CarPlay is running. Try a different USB port in the vehicle if one is available. If only one data port exists and it feels loose or wobbly, a replacement USB pigtail assembly typically costs $20 to $60 and plugs directly into the existing harness behind the console. This is a far cheaper fix than replacing an entire head unit. Battery optimization killing the connection. iOS aggressively manages background processes. Low power mode in particular throttles background activity and can drop CarPlay. Some drivers only see the problem when the battery gets low, which is the giveaway. Turn off low power mode in Settings, then Battery. Drive normally and watch whether the disconnects stop happening. Also confirm Background App Refresh is enabled under Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and set it to Wi-Fi and cellular data rather than off. If the disconnects only start once the battery drops below roughly 20%, this is almost certainly your cause, and simply keeping the phone charged above that level solves the problem entirely. Wireless CarPlay Wi-Fi instability. Wireless CarPlay uses Bluetooth to connect and Wi-Fi to carry the data. The Wi-Fi link is the weak point. Interference from other devices, a running personal hotspot, or a weak antenna in the head unit causes repeated dropouts while Bluetooth stays connected. Turn off your personal hotspot completely, since it competes for the same radio hardware. Disable Wi-Fi Assist down in Settings, Cellular. Forget the vehicle in both Settings, General, CarPlay, and again in Settings, Bluetooth. Then pair completely fresh. Keep the phone out of the center console bin while driving, since metal enclosures block the wireless signal badly. If the drops stop entirely when you switch to a wired cable connection instead, the wireless module or its antenna inside the head unit is the real problem. Corrupted CarPlay pairing data. Pairing records accumulate errors over time, especially after iOS updates. The system tries to reconnect using stale keys, fails, retries, and cycles. You will notice the connection dropping and reconnecting on a fairly regular rhythm rather than randomly. Go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and forget every single listed vehicle, including any duplicate entries with similar names. Then go to Settings, Bluetooth, and forget the vehicle there as well. Delete the phone from the head unit's own saved device list too. Restart both the phone and the vehicle completely before doing anything else. Pair fresh with only one phone connected at a time. If several family phones are paired to the same car, they will compete for the connection and cause repeated handoffs that look exactly like random disconnects, narrowing it down in 2 minutes. Run these tests in order. First, wiggle the cable at both ends while CarPlay runs. A drop confirms the cable or port. Second, try a completely different cable. Third, try a different phone in the same car. Fourth, try your phone in a different car. If your phone works fine elsewhere but drops in your vehicle, the fault is in the car's port, wiring, or head unit firmware. If your phone drops in every vehicle, the phone's port or software is at fault. Do not overlook head unit firmware. This one solves a lot of the most stubborn cases. Manufacturers regularly release firmware updates specifically to fix CarPlay stability problems after major iOS releases change the handshake protocol. If your disconnect started right after an iPhone software update, outdated firmware is the most likely answer. Check the manufacturer's support page for your exact model number and compare it against your current firmware version, which is usually listed under a System Information or About menu on the unit itself. Aftermarket units typically update from a USB flash drive using a downloaded and unzipped file. Factory systems update at the dealership or automatically over the air. Note your existing version number before updating so you can confirm afterward that the new firmware installed correctly. Multiple paired phones. Family vehicles often have 3 or 4 phones paired to the same head unit. When 2 are in the car at once, the system may repeatedly hand the connection back and forth between them. To the driver, this looks exactly like random disconnects, but the unit is actually working as designed and simply cannot decide which phone should have priority. Go into the head unit Bluetooth menu and delete every paired phone except the one you use daily. Ask passengers to turn Bluetooth off when riding along or delete their phone from the unit entirely. Most systems let you set a priority device, so check for that setting under Bluetooth Preferences. Reducing the paired device list to 1 or 2 phones eliminates handoff conflicts completely. Extreme heat affects the phone. An iPhone left on a dash mount in direct summer sun will throttle itself to protect the battery. CarPlay is one of the first things it drops when internal temperature climbs. The phone may also display a temperature warning, though it often throttles silently before reaching that point. Move the phone off the dash and out of direct sunlight, ideally to a vent mount in the airflow or into a cup holder. Remove thick insulating cases while charging on hot days, since charging generates heat on top of ambient heat. If the disconnects only happen on hot afternoons and never in the morning or in cooler weather, thermal throttling is almost certainly your cause, and no amount of software troubleshooting will change it.